coming down. Rain is coming down. I'm steady, rain is coming, baby. Rain a June. So I cook banana, use all piece of skin in my pot. And I don't drink all the water, you don't know. That's good for your body, same way. Yeah. Banana peel. My country area. Now we do it. Right. Go you peel the banana and thing. Chop my peel right there. Peel three. Just a go peel. Them say enough to cook even numbers, you know to cook like all 4 banana. So if you cook all 3 or 5. So 5 may I deal with this morning. 5. Peel 5 banana this morning. Cook it with dumpling and mackerel. Dash out. And then call it shake out. Dirty girl. Yeah. Final one. This is the final one. The rain is coming down. Rain is coming down. I'm steady, rain is coming, baby. I'm going to cut this now because I know the rain is coming. Yes, so this is what's going on right now. The dumplings and the bananas in the pot boiling up right now. So I don't know what I do already. Banana and dumpling in the morning, alright. So I just put pepper oil in the pot so the stain from the banana and I make the dumpling them look ugly. So we do it. So I go on, you know. Mackerel and onion, I'm gonna fry up, you know what I mean? Onion and pepper and something just fry up, ready now, ready now.